So far, we have discussed many number systems. Different civilizations used different bases. But now, I want to ask you something important. Despite all these number systems, which system do computers use? Computer across the entire world use the binary number system. Binary means base 2, only two digits, 0 and 1. That's it. Now think carefully. In a computer, what kind of data do we store? Only numbers? No. We store images, audio, videos, text, games, messages, everything. Now, here is the big question. How can just two digits, 0 and 1, store all of this? In the 17th century, a great mathematician named Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz asked an interesting question. Why do we need so many numbers? Can we represent everything using just two symbols? He proposed that all numbers could be written using only 0 and 1. At the time, it was only a theory. There were no computers yet. He did not build a machine using this idea. But his theory became the blueprint for the binary number system. It was not until the 20th century that this idea became practical. When electronic circuits were invented, engineers realized something powerful. Electricity has two clear states: 1 on, 0 off. That's it. Now think about the switches in your house. All switches may look similar, but when you press one switch, a light turns on. Press another switch, a fan starts rotating. Even though the switches look the same, the circuits behind them are different. Similarly, inside a computer, millions and billions of tiny switches turn on and off. Each on is 1, each off is 0. Computers reuse just two digits again and again. That is why binary is used in computers instead of the decimal system.